Welcome to the New Voice Media Community Hub. My name is Ryan Gillett and I'm a telephony and network consultant for New Voice Media. And today I would like to show you how to set up an agent to use our WebRTC service. Using WebRTC provides an agent the opportunity to use the New Voice Media platform without using a traditional handset. Instead, the voice for all calls is provided to the agent via their internet browser, meaning that all an agent requires to make and receive calls is a USB headset. So step one, let's set up an agent ready to use WebRTC. When logged into the New Voice Media platform as a supervisor, select Real Time, followed by Agents, and if you scroll down, select New. You will then be able to input the information that's required to set up a new WebRTC agent. First of all, we need to give the agent a name. In my case, I shall call it Community Hub Test. We then need to give the user an ID. Now, this is a numerical value, and it can be any number really, but it can't contradict with any other user's ID number that is already on your account. So I'm going to use 12345 just for testing purposes. We then need to enter a username. And this is what the user will use to log into the site. So I'm going to use community_hub_test. And then you need to provide an email address that's associated to this user. We now need to enter a telephone number for the user, and the best way to do this is actually to use the same number that you used for the ID. So in my case, 12345. We now need to set the location of the agent. In my case, I'm in the United Kingdom, so I've got United Kingdom set. And finally, and most importantly, we need to tick the Use WebRTC box at the bottom here. If you can't see this box in your account, please contact your account manager and we'll switch it on for you. Once we've got all of this information, the name, a unique ID, a username, an email address, the same ID in the telephone number field, your location, and WebRTC enabled, click Save. If we scroll to the top of the screen and select Show Alerts, we'll notice that Community Hub Test has been successfully created, and to log in, there's been an email sent which we can click on to activate the account and to set up a password. So let's do that now. Okay, so I've received my email from New Voice Media, and I can click on the link here in the email to activate the account and to select a password. I need to enter the password twice and click Submit. And once this is done, the account is then active and ready to be used. Okay, so the next step is to install the New Voice Media WebRTC extension to Chrome so that the user can use the WebRTC service from within the browser. So from the Chrome menu, select More Tools, followed by Extensions. Select the menu button here and then open Chrome Web Store. Once in the Chrome Web Store, if you search New Voice Media without any spaces between New Voice and Media and do a search, you will find our WebRTC extension and you can click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask for permission to install the extension which you wish to grant. Okay, and the next thing that you will notice is that Chrome is asking for permission for WebRTC to have access to your microphone, which obviously we will need for you to make calls. If you scroll down, you'll notice there's a red bar here explaining that you need to give permission to the microphone, and when you click Allow, this red bar should turn to all greens, like so. You'll also notice that there's now a WebRTC for New Voice Media extension here located within Chrome. So now that we have the WebRTC extension installed and the user set up, we can proceed to log in. So if you navigate to the New Voice Media Contact World site and enter the username that was created earlier and the password that was created earlier, you will be able to log in, and you will also be able to select Contact Pad to start using the service. Okay, so now we have Contact Pad open. We should be able to click Make Call, type in a telephone number that you wish to dial, and click Dial. The majority of our users are able to make and receive calls at this point. However, if you're not receiving audio to or from your headset, it's worth checking a few settings. First of all, in the taskbar of your Windows PC, please find the volume control and right-click and select Playback Devices. Please confirm that your headset, in my case, my Plantronics C320, is set as the default for both playback devices and recording devices. Secondly, within the New Voice Media WebRTC extension in Chrome, please right-click, select Options, and confirm that the current output device is set to be, once again, your headset. Whilst here, you can also set a secondary ringing device. If, for example, you would like your laptop speakers to ring when you receive incoming calls, this is the place that you would do that. So I'm going to set my secondary ringing device to be my speakers within my laptop, and I would like that to ring after 3 seconds, assuming that I haven't answered it, having heard my headset within 3 seconds. And that concludes our tutorial on how to configure a WebRTC agent. We have set up the agent, we've installed the WebRTC extension to Chrome, we've confirmed that our headset is configured correctly on the settings of my laptop, and we've been able to make a test call. I hope this information has been beneficial, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.